Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up a Wi-Fi hotspot using your existing Wi-Fi internet connection. So to begin with, you have to start a command prompt window. So in Windows 8.1 you press the Windows button and type cmd, and then you right click to start in administrator mode. And before we can set up the hotspot, we need to make sure that our Wi-Fi card supports creating a hosted network. So you need to type in this code. So WLAN show drivers, and you're looking for a specific property, which is, here it is, hosted network supported. So this has to be yes. If it's no, then yeah, you are not able to host a Wi-Fi hotspot. But usually for the new computers, this is always yes. Yeah, so that we're done with, and now we'll need to type in this command. So net sh wlan set hosted network, same as before. And now you'll specify an SSID of the network. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Here you first type in the mode, so you set the mode to allow, and then you type in the name of your hosted network, which is the SSID. This can be anything that you want. So for me, I'll just type something, no name. And then you need to set a password, which you call it as a key. So I'll just set something. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you press enter, and then now you have set up the hosted network. Next thing you need to do is to start this hosted network. So you just type net sh wlan start hosted network. There you go. So now you have a hosted network that has that has started. So the next thing you need to do is to go into control panel. Oops, mistyped. You can try again, control panel, there. And then you go to your network and sharing center, and then change adapter settings. So since we have started using this hosted network, we should have a something called as a local area network connection with a star, or with a star here. You should have, maybe your name is something different, but you should have something that you haven't seen before in this window. And this is the one that you are going to use. So in order to for this connection to have internet access, you need to share one of your internet connections. For example, you can either share your local area connection if you have that connected, or you can share your Wi-Fi connection. So in this case, I'll show you how to share your Wi-Fi connections. So you right click and then you choose properties, and then you go into the sharing tab, Here you need to check this property, allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection, and then you need to specify which network connection will have access to this Wi-Fi connection. So here we have this is the hosted network that we just started. So this is where we want we want the local area connection number 7 to have access to this Wi-Fi network. There we go. So we press OK. And now we need to go back to our command prompt and stop the hosted network and restart it. And this is just to make sure that our changes take place. Oh, sorry, I forgot. There's one more thing that we need to do before we restart our hosted network. The thing that doesn't work usually is that you need to have a static IP defined for your connection. Otherwise, when you try to connect a device, it doesn't connect automatically. That's the thing that I have been really having a hard time to find how to do this. So here you right click on properties, and then you go to this internet version 4 TCP IP version 4. You press properties, and here you need to set manual IP. So for me, I've done this already, so you can see to use the following IP address. So you can specify any IP address actually. So you can even use 168.0.1, but that is not to be recommended especially if you have a router. A router usually have this IP address 192.168.0.1. So here I just used 137, and then you use this normal subnet mask, and then you also need to specify a DNS server. You can use any number here. I used 4 8s, and then you just press OK. Once you're done with that, you go back to your command prompt, and now you first stop the hosted network, and then you start it again. So there, and and now you're ready to connect any device to this network, and you should have internet access. Once you have connected your device, it should turn up. You should be able to see how many devices have connected to your network. In order to do that, you just type in this command, so netsh wlan show hosted network, and here it will show you number of clients. In this property, it will show you how many clients have connected to your network. So I will show you how to set up a device, and in my case it's going to be an iPhone 5, because that's what I have. Okay, so here I have my iPhone. I'll go into settings, and then my network should be visible here, no name, as you can see. I'll go in there, and then I'll choose static and type in an IP address. So I'll just type in 192.168.137.2. So we shouldn't use the same as a router. And the subnet mask, this is the default subnet mask. And in router, you type the IP address of your network name. There we go. And the DNS was 8.8.8. That's it. And then you just join network. And then you will be asked for a password that you specified when you created the network, and for me it was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So now it should work. we will test it in Safari. Voila, there it is, working. Perfect. Alright, let's go back to Windows and look at the status. So back in Windows, we again open a new command prompt window as administrator, and then we type in netsh wlan show hosted network. And now we should see, here we have number of clients should be 1, so it's our iPhone that has been that has connected to this network. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and hopefully this will help